Alrighty, today I'm going to show you how to get some nice beachy waves. So we're going to go ahead and get it parted here in the back. And then we're going to add in some leave-in conditioning oil to protect the hair. Then we're going to grab a 1-inch barrel curling iron. We're going to start on the left side and we're going to twist the hair away from the face. And then you also want to make sure that you're leaving 1 inch out of the ends. That way it's going to go ahead and give you a really nice beached wave look rather than an actual curl. Continuing this process on the left side, and then we're going to head over to the right side. Again, making sure you're curling the curling iron away from your face. I usually like to leave the curling iron on for about 5 seconds or so. Alright, then we're going to get a little bit of hairspray and we're going to go ahead and spray those sections. Alright, so we're going to go ahead, part again at the temples. And we're going to take the pieces in the front, twisting them away from the face like we did with the other sections. Alright, so we're up to the top sections here. It's just going to be the same process that we were just doing. So again, curling away from the face. For the bangs, I usually like to only keep the curling iron in for about 2 seconds or so because you don't want to get them extra curly or anything. Alright, grab some hairspray, give it a good spritz. so once we're done with that section, we're gonna go ahead, run our fingers through it really good, give it some extra hairspray too. And then just kind of piecing it where you want it. And there you have it. There's some nice beachy curls.